Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe and I'm so happy you're here. I am just going to do a little vlog today. I have a couple things going on and I figured I'd just take you along. Theo's here with me. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
What do you got there? It's a blender ball and a Tupperware. Tupperware, I know that's tricky to say, isn't it? I was just about to do my makeup. Reese has to go outside. She's asking, but she like asks and then never goes out. Are you going out? Going out. Going out. Good girl. Okay, watch your tail. Good job. Thank you, Theo. We went shopping yesterday and I got this really cute little shelf. And I think I'm gonna get a couple like brass candlestick holders here to, I don't know, add to the look. I think it's really cute though. Kind of makes the space. I'm gonna do like speed makeup and see if I can do it in like, you want it opened? I don't think there's anything in that bowl, honey. I think it's empty. Speed makeup. Oh. Speed makeup. Theo, do you think I can get my makeup done in 10 minutes? Should we set a timer and see if we can? Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Alright, 10 minutes.
Okay. I'm not doing anything crazy today, so I think I can actually do this. Granted, I don't get interrupted by Mr. Theo Arisi, which I mean, I'm sure I will. That. I wonder how much time. I wonder how much time we have left. Do you think we're gonna make it?
Yeah.
I think I just have to do my brows and maybe some freckles. Do we have time to do freckles?
Yeah.
Do you think?
Here.
Here, you can do that, and then you can use your brush on that. Good job. This freckle stamp honestly makes life so much easier. If you like freckles, obviously. If you don't like freckles, don't use it. It's not for you. And I think I got a little sloppy with them, which I don't normally do. Yeah, Mommy's gonna have to adjust my freckles because they're a little sloppy. Okay, we'll grab my... Oh, no. He's gonna give himself freckles. And we're done, minus lips, but I don't have any lipstick in here. Hey Google, how much time is left?
40 seconds.
40 seconds, we did it! Whoop, whoop, whoop. So I just added a little bit of lipstick and I have to do my hair. It's kind of chaotic right now. Kind of like my life in my house. These guys are running around like crazy. Anyways, so I am doing a like closet sale this weekend in Guelph that I'm really excited for, but I have to finish going through my closet because as of right now I only have like 4 items, and I think Carly said I needed like 10 to 15. I don't know, something along those lines. My mom's gonna come this afternoon to help me with Theo while I'm working a little bit. No, thank you. And yeah, there's snow everywhere. It's so frustrating. Oh, I went to a brunch event this weekend, which was super fun. It was blossoms and brunch, so we got to do some like flower arranging, and I want to show you what I made. So I went with my sister. It was for the Cambridge School of Flowers. Look at this cute little bulb arrangement I made. And then we also made a nosegay bouquet. Screaming. I added a couple more flowers from a bouquet that Andrew got me a week or so ago. But yeah, so pretty. And then I also went to the store after. They're just running like crazy. And then I went to their store after and got this cute little tree, I guess. I'm trying my best to bring more like real real, alive plants into my home, not so much fake. I'm doing my best. I kill everything though. This poor fiddle leaf fig is the only live plant I have. So I figured it needed a friend. I'm gonna keep trying though. I'm gonna bring more plants in. That's my goal this year. Also, I painted this with my friend. I'm not sure if I told you that the last video, but this was dark blue and we painted it to this really pretty light green. It's Sherwin-Williams Evergreen Fog. I think it goes really good with our bar stools too. Just took out some chicken to defrost for dinner. I think I'm gonna make butter chicken. Granted, I should check that I have the ingredients. I do. Because I don't know how to make my own. Butter chicken for dinner. I don't know what to have for lunch. Maybe I'll treat myself. Should I DoorDash something or skip the dish or something? If I were to, what would I do? You know what? I'm not gonna have a juice because I had a smoothie for breakfast and that's just too much fruit. I'm gonna be pooping up a storm. Of course the internet goes out on the day that I have an important meeting. Like I've reset it, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I guess I could take it from my phone. That sounds like super professional, but it's better than nothing. I have like an hour to figure this out. I parted my hair a bit differently today. I did like a side part. It's weird.
Papa bought those pictures.
Yeah.
I bought a school bus. Duplo school bus.
Oh, fun.
With the roof.
Ooh. Is it for a candlestick?
Yep. And I have different kinds, different heights, I think.
I got the internet working, thank goodness, and now I'm gonna go get the mail and we'll see if I have anything, and then I gotta go pick up Marlo from school. I hope I have a package. I think my Crocs might be there. If they are, I will show you. Fairly certain these are the Crocs because I got a delivery notice for them. I just had to like open them, get all the tape and stuff off because I knew I wouldn't be able to do it one-handed. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay. So the only thing that I'm a little nervous about, they're brand spanking new, which is great, but I just bought Crocs brand new from Winners and I ended up getting an 11 because they seemed small, though they didn't look like this. So hopefully they fit me. I'll try them on when I get home and see, but yeah, worst case scenario, I can always wear them with like the back set, but, and I had socks on. I just figured I'd always be wearing socks with my Crocs, but probably not. Anyways, they're so cute. They're like Pepto-Bismol and they're brand new. I'm gonna try them on when I get home. These fit really good. I think that the platform ones that I bought, I think they fit smaller because these fit perfectly. Anyways, and I have socks on, so. Yay! Should we get you matching ones?
Yeah.
We could have matching twinsies, both in pink.
Nivea moisturizing. Oh God, you don't have to change that.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this is great too.
And now I'm gonna make some basmati rice. Yeah. Make some rice.
I didn't know.
I never said you could. You wanna get the naan bread out?
I don't know how I'm not ready.
In the bottom shelf. And we're gonna have naan bread with our stuff.
I have the naan bread. I don't want to. Are you ready, Mom?
I'm figuring out how to make the rice. Look at how good that looks. new day, but it all feels old. It's a good life, or that's what I'm told. It's a new day. I am drinking a hot tea and then I'm going to tackle this pile of dishes that is sitting next to me. In about an hour, I'm gonna go get a lash fill. My eyelashes have been doing pretty good. They kind of went through a wonky period where I was like shedding a billion of them every day, but they finally calmed down, which I'm appreciative of. Okay, let's tackle these dishes. I don't want to, but let's do it. Okay, look at this. So much better. The dishwasher's running. The sinks are clean. And now I can sit down, enjoy my tea, and do a little bit of work. Okay, I'm parked. Don't worry. Let's go get my lashes filled. Ah! Look at how good my lashes look, and it's snowing like crazy, so I'm gonna go right home and edit this YouTube video and get some lunch and a warm drink and call it. Getting home in one piece during a snowstorm. Let's do this. This road is like the worst because it's like a country road. We have fields on either side. We got this though. I got my 4-wheel drive on. We'll go slow. It's literally white. Can't even see the road. Also, it's a gravel road, so if someone comes, just gotta be careful. Go to the side. Ooh. The one thing about being an adult I don't love is driving in winter. As soon as winter's done, I will be so happy. There's something about driving in snow that just makes you feel like I'm going under 60 right now, and it feels like I'm a NASCAR driver. It feels like I'm going like 100 miles an hour. And I hope Andrew gets home okay too. I always get anxiety about him driving as well. Oh, I hope he gets home okay. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!